We do the tracking proper. Let's see the distance between 42.5E and which is the secondary, which is Nigcomsat, and 28.2E, which is primary, which is Astra. So by the time you get like this, remember this is the formula I formulated. You can use another formula, but I think this is the closest you can. So you can see if you use 42.5 minus less 28.2, you have 14.3. That 14.3, which is this. So by the time you have 14.3, since you are looking at like two distances, use the average of two. You divide it, you have something like 7.15 inches, which is approximately 8 inches, not centimeter, 8 inches apart. So this is what you need: 42.5E and 28.2E. 42.5 less 28.2, you have 14.3. Since you are looking for the distance between two, which is average, you use 2, you divide it by 2, you get 7.15 inches, approximately 8 inches. So what you will confuse, why do I have 7.5, 7.15, I have 8 inches, depending on this size, but in between this, you maneuver in between this and this, you get it. In between 7.5, 7.15 and 8, in between, you get the signal when you are attaching 42.5E to 28.2E primary. So we continue in our tracking. Okay, we are looking at something like this. This is how we're going to do it. So first of all, I have to confirm that let's confirm that the 28E is working. Then we try to attach the 45E. So let's see. So this 28E is working. This I think this add-on, this joy. My sound is bad, so let's just work on the video. So confirm that it's working. So what we want to do now, we want to track 45. So I told you it's about 8, within 7 and 8. Look at the 40, this is the 45 will be up like this. So just hold on, let me get my 45. Let me go to my Nigcomsat. I have it pre-installed here. So let me see. I want to use Nigcomsat frequency. Nigcomsat frequency is let me get it first. This is Nigcomsat. I want to use 12519H 29500. So let me use this. So come around, let's see. Just hold on while I track it. So let's just hold on, let me quickly. So let's just see how it is done. So while we are doing like this, we're looking at this one, we're pointing at this one. We're looking at this like this, we're pointing, and once you change the color, that means we've got the signal. So just hold on, let's focus on the dish first. Focus on the dish. Then we'll also point to this side and see if we point to this side. When you just be doing at the same time, point here, point here. So let's go up. Let's get our spiners. So 12519H 29500. So you still okay. Let me quickly change the cable. Let me change the cable. put it here and see. So let's focus on this place first. So okay, you can see the signal is coming up, so let's quickly align it to make sure that we get the best. So we got 60. Got 60. Let's tighten it. So this is Nigcomsat. So let me get my tape rule. Let me get my tape rule. Let me get my tape rule and see. Unfortunately, I cannot get that of that one in inches. This one is in feet. So let's see. Let's quickly draw it closer. Let me draw it closer. Sorry, my hand blocked the camera. Let me draw it closer for you to see. The height is a bit high. That is why I see me struggling like this. So let me draw it. You can see the distance. So we want to use our tape rule to measure it. Remember, I told you it's not from this place. The distance is normally from the neck of this to the neck of this. So let's quickly do it now. So this one is in fortunately this one is in feet. So from here to here to this side, you can see, I don't know, is the same 8 I'm seeing here. Maybe it's 8 inches apart. You can see from here, Nigcomsat 28E 42.5E. So this is the distance. So let's just go back again and see it. You can see how it is. So this is what we've been looking at. This is the distance from this place. So let's quickly go through the channels and see. My audio is bad, as I told you earlier, but they're working properly. They're working effectively. They're working effectively. This Nigcomsat. They're working very well. All of them are working very well. Okay, thank you very much for watching. This is Push Tech once again. Don't forget to share this video, like, subscribe. I love you all. Bye. Game to my YouTube channel. This Push Tech. Wherever you're watching me from, like my videos, share, subscribe, and join the community through WhatsApp, YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, TikTok, and the rest. Now, I've been tracking the big dish C-band 1.8, 2.4 meter above for some time now, but due to popular demand, some people want me to revisit some of those lectures that I didn't complete, and one of the lectures is attaching 42.5E Nigcomsat to 26, which has NBC, and 28 Astra 28, Badr 26 and Astra 28. I've tracked them on single dishes. I've also tracked 26 and 28 combined. Go to my previous tutorials and see. But today we want to quickly look at how to attach 45.2 to this. This setup is come closer. This setup is 26 and 28E. So we want to attach 42.5E to it. Remember I told you earlier, I said when you are attaching on a single dish, higher numbers take lower elevation, while lower number take higher elevation. So normally if you want to attach this on a single setup, we start from here 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26. 42 would have been somewhere here and come down. But since we are doing an attachment, 42 would have been here on a single setup. We are going to move the 42 here like this and take it higher than this. So that's what we want to do. So stay tuned while we do